Welcome to a new course of Social Media Boost for Getting Viral. Well, what is Social Media Boost? But before getting into our classes, we have to learn a lot of things about social media, about its marketing sectors, about how to get viral, and how it actually works, what you should follow up. So I'm also going to be about social media marketing in this class or in this introduction part. So, without any further ado, let's move on with our slides where we are going to learn about social media marketing. Social media marketing, or SSM or SMM, refers to the use of social media platforms to promote a product or service. It involves creating and sharing content on social media networks to achieve marketing and branding goals. This includes activities like posting text and image updates, videos, and other content that drives audience engagement as well as paid social media advertising. Now, we have to learn before getting into the boost why social media marketing important. Well, increased brand awareness. Social media platforms provide a global stage to represent your brand, making it easier to reach a large audience. Customer engagement. Social media allows direct interaction with customers, which can improve customer service and foster brand loyalty. Cost effective. Compared to traditional marketing methods, social media marketing is generally more affordable and can yield high returns on invest ROI. Targeted advertising. Social media platforms offer sophisticated targeting options, allowing you to reach specific demographics based on age, location, interest, and more. Analytics and insights. Social media tools provide valuable data about your audience's behavior and preferences, helping you refine your marketing strategies. Key platforms of social media marketing. Facebook, widely used for its extensive reach and diverse user base. Features include pages, groups, and even ads. Instagram, popular for visual content and stories, ideal for brand targeting younger audiences. Twitter, known for real-time updates and trending topics, useful for customer service and engagement. LinkedIn, based like the best for B2B marketing, professional networking, and industry-specific content. Pinterest, visual discovery platform, great for industries like fashion, food, and home decor. YouTube, the leading platform for video content, essential for brands with strong video marketing strategies. Then, we're going to learn about the basic components of social media marketing strategies. First off, starts off with the goals and objectives. Define what you want to achieve with your social media efforts. Common goals include brand awareness, website traffic, lead generation, and customer engagement. Then comes audience research. Understand who your target audience is, their interests, and where they spend their time online. Well, I have a specific lesson just for this about audience research, so you don't have to worry. We're going to get more diverse later on in this course. Content creation. Develop a content plan that includes a mix of different types of contents. An example, blog posts, videos, infographics, and etc. Tailored to your audience. Content calendar. Schedule your post to ensure consistent and timely content delivery. Engagement. Interact with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and engaging with their content. Analytics and reporting. Regularly review your performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of your strategy and make necessary adjustments. Now, the last thing which we need to learn are about the tips for effective social media marketing. Well, consistency is one of the most important things. To maintain a consistent posting schedule and brand voice across all platforms. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating high quality content that provides value to your audience, not over quantity. Visual appeal. Use high quality images and videos to attract the attention. Engagement. Actively engage with your audience to responding to comments and messages promptly. Monitor trends. Stay updated with the latest trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. Paid advertising. Consider using paid ads to amplify your reach and target specific demographics. Analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and Twitter Analytics, Instagram Insights, and all of those to track your performance and optimize your strategy. Because obviously, after seeing the analytics, you will understand which audience you have to look for. So, social media marketing is a dynamic and evolving field that offers businesses a powerful way to connect with their audience and grow their brands by understanding the fundamentals and continuously refining your approach. You can effectively leverage social media to achieve your marketing goals. Not only marketing goals, it will just help you to boost your own account, boost your own content to get viral very easily. And I have specific steps and specific things which you have to follow up, which I'm going to show you class by class. So make sure to follow them up, not to miss anything. But if you still have any question, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm always there to help you out. So without any further ado, let's move on with our class of social media boost to get viral.